Good afternoon to all of you. In today's session, we are going to learn about conjunctions. Okay, so in today's session, we'll be looking into two types of two conjunction words, and but. Okay, so this session has already been, you had an introductory session in the previous, okay, the previous session. We have learned about this conjunction in the previous session too. So before we move on to the topic, before we learn what is a conjunction in detail, in today's session, we'll be learning about this topic in detailed. Okay, so before we move on to today's session, let me ask you a few questions. Okay, Manha, come on, tell me, what is a conjunction? Manha, what is a conjunction? What you have understood about conjunction? In the previous session, we have already discussed about this topic. Manha, come on. Don't be looking into your book. What is conjunction means what? What are conjunction words? Come on, Manha. What is conjunctions? Okay, Evelyn, come on, tell me, what is a conjunction? What? Yes?
And but.
Okay, and but. So, what is a conjunction? The last session, we have already discussed about this topic. That's why I'm asking you. What is that?
Adverb.
No. Conjunction. Emmanuel, come on, tell me. Emmanuel, come on, what's a conjunction? Huh?
Joining words.
Yes, joining words. Conjunctions are joining words. Okay, children? So, conjunctions. What is the today's topic we are moving on to is conjunctions. We have already been discussed in the previous session. Conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are joining words. We join two words, two sentences together with this joining words. So these joining words are also known as connecting words. Okay, we join two words or two sentences using these words. Have all of you understood? Okay, so let's move on to the topic. Okay. So, first of all, let's understand what the conjunction is. Okay.
No.
All of you are ready, no, children? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. So today's topic, we are going to learn about conjunctions. Okay. So let's learn what is a conjunction is. Conjunctions are nothing but, they are called as joining words. What are called conjunctions, children? Conjunctions are joining words. Okay. They are also known as connecting words. Is that clear to all of you? So
Yes,
conjunctions. What are conjunctions? So today's topic, we are going to learn about conjunctions. All of you open your mouth and say it. Conjunctions. What is today's topic we are going to learn, children?
Conjunctions.
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 Conjunctions. Very good. Yes, conjunctions. Conjunctions are nothing but joining words. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. Come on, open your mouth and tell me. Conjunctions are joining words. Okay? They are also known as connecting words. Okay, as I've told you in the previous session, when something is broken, how do we join the two pieces? We use Fevikwik or a Fevigum to join these two pieces. Similarly, conjunctions, we use these conjunctions words to join two words or two sentences. So these are called as joining words, or also we can call these as connecting words. They join words, group of words, or short sentences. Clear to all? Okay, so what are conjunctions, children? All of you repeat it once more. Conjunctions are joining words. Come on, repeat. Conjunctions are joining words. They are also known as connecting words. They join words, group of words, or short sentences. I cannot see any one of your lips moving. I wanted to see all your lips moving. Come on, tell me. What is a conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. They're also known as connecting words. They join two words or a group of words or short sentences. Clear to all? Now, let's understand the two conjunctions what we are going to learn in today's classes, and but. Let's understand the two conjunctions and but with few examples. Okay, children? Okay. Are you all ready to learn? So in today's class, we are going to learn about, or we are going to look into and but. So let's learn these two conjunctions with few examples. You can see two words here, apple and orange. Okay, so these two words are connected by using a joining word and. So and is a conjunction word. Is that clear? Now, how are we going to join these two sentences? Here there are two sentences are there for you. Crow has an apple, crow has an orange. So how are we going to join these two sentences? We are going to join these two sentences using the conjunction word and. So let us see. So how we have joined? We have joined these two sentences using the conjunction word and. Okay? Children, all of you keep your videos on, children. Is it due to any network? Yes. So when we join these two sentences using the conjunction word and, we have to remember that crow has is repeated here. So when we rewrite the sentences using the conjunction, crow has, it write only once. Okay, has an apple, has an apple and, okay, we have joined the sentence using and an orange. And has an apple and an orange. Okay, and end the sentence using a full stop. Clear to all? Okay, so when there are two words, we join the two words using the conjunction word and. Here there are two sentences, we have joined the two sentences using the conjunction word and. But when we join the sentences using the conjunction word and, we have to remember that, see, a crow has been repeated twice. So write only once. Crow has an apple and an orange. The repeated part, please don't write it. Okay, children? So let's move on to a few more examples. So we use and. So as I've already told you, you can't see mine? Yes. As I've already told you, in today's class, we are going to look into the two conjunction words and but. Okay, and but. So we use the conjunction word and to combine similar ideas or same ideas or to add information. Clear? When do we use the conjunction and, children? All of you look into the screen. When do we use the conjunction word and? When the ideas are similar or same ideas, or when we add information, we use the conjunction word and to join the sentences. Clear? When the ideas are same or similar or to add information, we use the conjunction word and. Clear to all? When do we use the conjunction word and, children? Who can give me the answer? When do we use the conjunction word and? Abba, come on. Yes, Abba.
Use conjunction word and to
Mm.
join
Mm.
a sentence.
Yes, to join a sentence. When do we use the conjunction word and? How we can know it? We can use and conjunction. How do we know it? When the ideas are?
And the ideas are
Mm.
uh,
When the ideas are same or similar. Is it clear? When the ideas are same. Same means, you know, when the ideas are same or similar, or when we are adding information, we use the conjunction word and. Clear to all?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, when the ideas are same, which conjunction word do we use?
And
Yes, very good. When the ideas are same or when we add information, we use the conjunction word and. Is it clear to all?
yes,
Yes. So we can move on to a few examples. So all of you, please have a look over it. And we use the conjunction word and to combine similar ideas when the ideas are same, or when we add information, we use the conjunction and. So we'll move on to a few examples to make this concept very clear to us. Here, all of you, and Maria, read the sentence. And Maria, read the sentence. Come on, Anne Maria, you can't see the board?
Tom loves to play cricket and
Okay.
football.
Okay, I'm not asking you to read this. I'm asking you to read this. Tom loves to play cricket. Then what? Tom loves to play. Tom loves to play. Come on, Anna
Tom
Maria.
loves to play cricket
Yes.
and
No, you read the sentence, Anna Maria. Tom loves to play.
Tom loves to play cricket.
Uh,
Tom,
Tom
loves to play football.
Okay. So here in these two sentences, we are talking about the same person, Tom. Okay, children, we are talking about the same person, Tom, and his love to play two games and his and he likes to play two games. Okay, so when we combine the sentences, we are here, the ideas are same. So we have to join the sentences using the conjunction word and. Clear to you, children? Here we are talking about the same person and his likes, that he likes to play cricket and also he likes to play football. So how do we join the sentence? Tom loves to play cricket, and again these words are repeated. So it is not necessary for you to write the sentence again. So Tom loves to play cricket and football. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Have all of you understood how to write the sentence? Here,
Yes.
we are talking about one person, Tom, and his likes to play two games. So when we rewrite the sentences using the conjunction word and, please do remember that the words which are repeated, please don't write it again. Tom loves to play cricket and football. Clear to all? Now, we'll move on to the next sentence. Renfred, your video is not on. Yes, it's on. Read the sentence. All of you enable your videos, children. I wanted to have a look at you. Yes, Esther, come on. Read the sentence.
Dog is a
Faithful, faithful animal.
faithful animal.
Then.
That dog is a clever
Is a clever.
animal.
Very good. So dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. In these two sentences, we are talking about the same animal, dog. Okay, and we are talking about
Yes.
its two qualities. So one quality, it is faithful, and the other quality is clever. So when we are talking about the
Yes.
same ideas, okay, we are talking about a particular animal, that is dog, and we are talking about his qualities. So in that case, we have to join the sentences using the conjunction word and. Clear? So how do we join now?
Yes.
Dog
Ma'am.
is a faithful. So dog is a faithful, it is repeated. So write only once. Dog is a faithful and clever animal. Here in both the sentences, animal is repeated. So you write only once. And at the end of the sentence, insert a full stop. Okay, children? So dog is a
Yes.
faithful and clever animal. Is that clear? Clear to all? Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, can I?
Now, here there is another sentence for you. Renfred, come on, read the sentence.
The Friday is a
Who's reading?
holiday. Hollywood.
Please may I know who's reading the sentence? Who's reading the sentence, children? Renfred, can you do it? Read the sentence for me. Unmute it. Renfred, are you not able to do it? Okay. Adidev M. Nair, come on. Read the sentence. Adidev, unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the sentence. Adidev.
I
Adidev M. Nair. Yes. Not I. This Friday.
This Friday is a
Mm.
holiday.
Yes, this Friday is a holiday. What is the next sentence here?
I would
I
like
would
to go.
like to go for
Like to go for
shopping. Okay, children, all of you please do see the slide here. Here in these, there are two sentences in the slide. Okay, the first sentence here is, this Friday is a holiday. Okay, so since the Friday is a holiday, we have planned to go for a shopping. So we are adding information to it. So as we are adding the information, we have to join the sentences using the conjunction word and. So I would like to go for shopping. I've told you. The first thing is you should have the same ideas. The second thing is you have to look for when we add information to it. So we use the conjunction word and. So here, this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go for shopping. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Clear, children? So we use the conjunction and to see that the sentences have the same ideas or when we are adding information to it. In these both cases, we have to use the conjunction word and. Clear? Clear to all? When the ideas are similar or the same, or when we are adding information, we use the conjunction word and to join the sentences. Okay? When the ideas are same, which conjunction do we use to join the sentence, children? We use and. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. When the ideas are different, which conjunction do we use? When the ideas are different, Adidev Siyan. When the ideas are different, which conjunction word do we use? Adidev Siyan. Come on. Adidev. When the ideas are different, Adidev, which conjunction? Huh? Come on, say it. But, very good. When the ideas are same, we use the conjunction word and. But when the ideas are different or opposite, we use the conjunction word but. Clear to all? Okay? All of you, please do listen very, very carefully. If it is same, we use and. If it is different or opposite, we use the conjunction word but. Have you all of you learnt it? Learnt? If it is same, what we have to use, children? Which conjunction word do we have to use? If the ideas are same, which conjunction word do we have to use? Come on, all of you say it. I've unmuted you. If the ideas are same, which conjunction word do we have to use to join the sentence? Batta. Ideas are same. What we have to use? And. All of you open your mouth and say. And. Okay. If the ideas are different or opposite, which conjunction word do we have to use? But. Yes. But. So you should not forget, okay, children? Okay. So here, now we are moving on to the second conjunctions that we are going to learn in today's class is but. We use but to show the difference or the opposite ideas. Okay, when the ideas are different or when it is opposite, we use the conjunction word but. Okay, so let's move on to a few examples here. Okay, Shine, come on, read this for me. Read this two sentences for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it. Shine, please do read it quickly. Are you able to read it? Arjun, what you're doing there? Are you sleeping? Sit straight. I want all of you to sit straight. Read the sentence. Shine.
Ma'am, not clear.
It's not clear. Why? Shreya, is it clear for you? Shreya, is it clear?
Ma'am?
Is it clear? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then read the sentence.
This
Thud. T-H-U-D is what? Thud.
third is big. Kitty is small.
Okay, very good. So here we are talking about the opposite ideas. We are talking about the elephant. We are telling that elephant is big. The name of the elephant is Thud. Thud is big. And here you can see a kitten here. Kitten, that is kitty, is small. So when the ideas are different, what we have to do, Shreya? We have to join the sentence using the conjunction word. Come on, Shreya. We have to join the sentence using the conjunction word. Using the conjunction word. But. Okay, so here the ideas are different. It is opposite. One is big and one is small. So we have to join the sentences using the conjunction word but. Thud is big, but kitty is small. Thud is big, but kitty is small. So end the sentence using a full stop. Here these are two sentences. Okay, so when we rewrite the sentence using the conjunction word but, see that you insert a full stop at the end of the sentence. Thud is big, but kitty is small. Clear to all? Clear? Yes. Now all of you will move on to this sentence. Shravan, where is your audio? Sorry, your video is not on, no, Shravan. Is it because of the network issue? Shravan, come on, read the sentence. Children, all of you enable your videos. I wanted to see all your faces. Are you feeling sleepy? All of you sit straight, all of you. And read the sentence, Shravan, for me. Yes? Ram? Unmute it, please. Yes? When your names are called, children, please do unmute it. Where is Shravan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the sentence then.
Ram runs fast.
Ram ran fast. Okay, then the second sentence.
He
Finished.
The
Third in the race. So he ran fast. Ram ran fast, but he cannot come first. He became only the third in the race. So here we are talking about the difference ideas. Okay, he ran fast, but he could not win. Win means he could not come first. Okay, so when we join the sentences, we have to join the sentence using the conjunction word but. Okay, so Ram ran fast, but he finished third in the race. Okay, so end the sentence using the full stop at the end of the sentence. Is that clear to all of you? So only thing you have to see that if the ideas are same or similar, use the conjunction word and. If the ideas are different, use the conjunction word but. But see to that when you join the sentences, at the end of the sentence, please insert a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay? Now,
Yes.
Ivan Nirmal, come on. Read the sentence for me. Yes?
Giraffe is tall. Dog is short.
Okay, here we are talking about what? We are talking about opposite ideas. Okay, here the one is tall, one is short. So what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to join the sentence using which conjunction word, Ivan?
But.
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 Very good. But because giraffe, this animal, you can see it is tall, and you can see this dog is very short. We are talking about the opposite ideas here. So we have to join the sentence using the conjunction word but. So how we have
Yes.
joined this? Giraffe is tall, but dog is short. Can you see the full
Yes.
stop at the end of the sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
While you write a sentence,
Yes.
please don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, children?
Yes.
So now let's move on to, I hope it's very clear to you. When you read the sentence, children, please take care that we join sentences using and. When we see the ideas are the same, ideas of same, we use conjunction and. If the ideas are different or opposite, we use conjunction but. Okay, for adding information or something like that, we use the same conjunction word and. Okay, so when we're talking about the same animal, when we're talking about the qualities or like that, when you read the sentence, you will understand. Okay, children. So let's move on to the exercise which are there. So this is there. So this page is missing in you, children. This is page number 26. Okay, so I'll be sending this page to you. You can please copy down this page into your notebook. Okay, now let's do this exercise. Okay, Renfred? Renfred? Can you unmute it? Please try it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the sentence. 8th question, which is there.
The baby is.
Who's reading the sentence? Is this Renfred is reading? No, then who's reading the sentence? Please, may I know it? Is it Shine is reading? No, then who's reading? Then who's reading the sentence, children? Huh? Come on, I couldn't hear you. Who's reading the sentence?
Arjun.
Arjun. Okay, then Arjun read the sentence. Let me see. After Arjun, or Renfred can read. Okay, Arjun read the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it.
The baby is cheerful
Cheerful, yes.
and happy.
Okay, here we are talking about, all of you please do listen. When you read the sentence, please do understand the meaning of the sentence. Here we are talking about the baby and we are talking about its qualities. The baby is not only cheerful, it is also happy too. So we have to join the sentences using the conjunction word and. Okay, so we are talking about its qualities. The baby is cheerful as well as it's happy. So we have to join the sentence using the conjunction word and. Is that clear to all of you? So you have to write here and. Please don't look into your workbook, children. This page is not there. All of you look into the slide. Okay, don't be looking here and there. Okay, the next person who's going to do is. Are you all ready? Aiden, Ajay, come on. Aiden, unmute it. Aiden, unmute it, Aiden. Yes, read the second question. That is the 9th question on this page.
Ritu's room is colorful.
Okay.
Dash bright.
Okay, then.
And
And. Why means we are talking about the same room here. Ritu's room. Imagine your room. Okay, Ritu's room is colorful. Not only colorful, it is also bright even. Bright with light. So how do we join the words? Using the conjunction word and. Very good, Aiden. Okay, so we use the conjunction word and to join the sentence since the ideas are same. Okay, we are talking about the Ritu's room, talking about the qualities of the Ritu's room. Okay, So, okay, Yadav, come on, read the sentence. Yadav,
Yes, ma'am.
Yadav, come on, read the next sentence.
Yes,
The 10th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it.
Elephants walk slowly.
No, I wanted you to read it from the slide which is shown to you. Mr. Singh is, this page is not there in your workbook, my dear.
Mr.
Ah,
Singh
mm,
is
mm,
kind.
mm.
Dash health.
Dash helpful. So here we are talking about whom? We are talking about Mr. Singh. We are talking about the two qualities which he has. One is kind. The other, the quality in him is helpful. So how do we join the sentence? We join the sentence using and. Very good. Okay. Since we are talking about the two good qualities in a person, we have to join the talking about the same ideas. Okay. So we have to join the sentence using the conjunction word and. Very good. Okay. Pavan, come on. Read the next. Fill in the blanks with and but.
Next page number 26 is not there.
That's what I told you in the beginning. Page number 26 is not there. Please do read it from the slide which is shown to you. This
Yes.
slide will be sent to you in the WhatsApp group. Okay. The tortoise.
The dot is SLOW.
The tortoise was slow.
Was slow. Dash the have.
The hare, H-A-R-E. Have you not heard of the story of the hare and the tortoise? Okay. The hare was
Here was
yes, fast. Yes. Here we are talking about what? What are we talking here about? Is it of the same ideas or different ideas? Pavan.
different.
Different. Yes. One is slow, one is fast. So what we have to do? We have to join the sentence using but. Very good. Okay, so this is how we have to categorize it. Are they talking about the same ideas? Are they talking about the different ideas? So we have to come to a conclusion which joining word we have to use here. Okay, children? Okay, then. Emmanuel, come on, Emmanuel. Read the second question. Gyan. Yes, Gyan. Gyan, come on, say it. The name of this person is Gyan. Okay. Like
Gyan.
Ryan, Gyan. Okay, then.
Yan.
Gyan Shobha.
Shobha. One.
Watered. Watered.
The plant.
Okay. So what we have to do here? And very good. Here we are talking about two children or two boys. Shobha, no? So two children. So here we have to join the sentences using the conjunction word and. Here not only Gyan, Shobha also, both of them watered the plants. Okay, children? Yes. So we have to join the sentence using and. Okay. Now Devatmak, come on. Devatmak. Yes. Read the third question. A giraffe. A giraffe.
Giraffe is tall. Dash a car is
A cat is
a cat is
short. Okay, then what we have to do? But very good. Very good, very good. Here we are talking about an animal which is tall and another animal which is short. So we are talking about the difference in opinion, or we are talking about the different ideas. So what we have to do is we have to join the sentence using the conjunction word but. Very good. Okay, so this is how. Very good, children. We'll go on to someone. Okay, Nived, come on, Nived. Nived, come on. Do the next sentence.
Mute.
The man, Nived, come on, Nived. The man. The man is.
The man is walking.
No. This sentence which is there in your slide. Please look into the slide and read the sentence. This page is not there. The man was strong.
And
What is this word? Is healthy.
the man is healthy
Okay, so how do we join the sentence here?
And
Huh? What is that? And, very good. We are talking about the man who has two good qualities in him. Okay, that is, one is he's very strong and he's also healthy. So we have to join the sentence using the conjunction word and. Clear? Okay, we are talking about the same person. He has two good qualities, that is strong and healthy. Okay, very good. Okay, now Amazia, come on Amazia, unmute it.
yes, ma'am.
Read the sentence.
This is a
Mm.
cycle.
Circle. Mm.
Then yes, ma'am. Square.
Okay, this is a circle. That is a square. Here, these are the two diagrams which we learn in mathematics. Okay, one is circle and the other one is square. So what we have to do, Amazia?
And
And is okay.
yes.
We are talking about two different ideas, no, Amazia. One is circle, this is circle, and that is square. But what we have to do here, this is a circle, but that is a square. Yes, but. Okay, but. Okay, so one is circle, circle is like this is a figure, and square is a four-sided figure. Okay, yes, very good. Yes, who's that calling me?
Amazia.
Amazia. Amazia, you have to write the sentence using the conjunction word but. Okay. Okay then. Adrinath, come on, Adrinath, do the last sentence.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Adrinath. Adrinath,
Ma'am.
unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
And read the sentence for me, Adrinath. Where is Adrinath? Adrinath is not there? Adrinath is not there? Okay, then I'll be calling a different person who's available. Aradhya, come on, Aradhya. Read the last sentence before we wind up today's session. Read the last sentence. I ate.
I ate apple dash orange.
So what we have to do?
And
very good, Aradhya. So we hear you ate apple as well as oranges. You ate both. So we have to join the sentence using the conjunction word and. Okay, clear to all? So in today's session, we learned about two conjunction words, that is and but. And is used to join the words or sentences of same ideas. Okay, or when we add information also, we use the conjunction word and. When we're talking about the two different ideas or opposite ideas, we use the conjunction word but to join the words or sentences. Okay, children, I hope it's clear. The exercises has to be done. It will be sent through WhatsApp. Okay, so it's time for us to wind up today's session. So bye, children. Bye. Bye, all of you. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Bye, bye.